Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this channel, I share with you some useful English lessons to help you improve your English. Today we're going to talk about my first job after university. This is part 2 of the series of videos called Slow English. In Slow English, I try to speak very slowly and clearly so that you can easily understand me. And I also try to use simple vocabulary and structures. So, if you're an intermediate learner and you want to improve your listening skills, this is perfect for you. Now, let's get started. The first time I found a job was when I was a student in my second year at university. My father had lost his job and my parents needed money. Of course, I didn't want my father to take another job just so that we could survive. So I decided to find a job myself. At that moment, I realized why it's important to have a bank account. Because when you have a bank account, people will pay you through your bank account. They won't pay you in cash. So first, I opened a bank account, and then I started looking for a job. I looked for a job in a newspaper, and I found a small advertisement. It said, "Waiter wanted, good salary." I thought, okay, I've done a little bit of training in hotel management, so maybe I can do this job. Then I went to the address which was in the advertisement, and I knocked on the door. When the man opened the door, I asked him if he was the person who wanted a waiter, and he said yes. I gave him my CV, and I told him, "Can I ask you some questions?" He said, "Of course." So I asked him, "What days do I have to work?" "You have to work weekends and one day during the week." "Okay. Which day during the week?" "You have to work on Tuesday." "Okay." And then I said, "Is there a uniform, or do I have to wear something else?" He said, "We don't have a uniform, but you have to wear something smart." Okay, so then I asked him, "When do I start?" "You can start whenever you want." "Great," I said. "Can I have the job?" He said, "Yes, you can start tomorrow." I said, "Great." Then I walked out, and I thought, okay, I have a job. But no, I didn't have a job, because he never gave me a contract or anything like that. So the next day, I went to see him again, and I said, "Hi," and he said, "Oh, you're here. Okay, follow me." So I followed him, and we went to the restaurant. The restaurant was really nice. I liked it. He showed me the kitchen where I had to work, and I met the other people who worked there. After that, we went to his office, and there he gave me my contract. He explained everything to me. And after that, I started working there. It was difficult to work there, because I had to stand all day long. Also, it was a really busy restaurant, and we had a lot of customers every day. Sometimes I had to serve up to 10 tables at the same time. Anyway, I enjoyed that job because I liked the people who worked there, and I liked the boss. Well, I hope you enjoyed this story. Now check your level. Answer these questions. Write your answers in the comments below. Let's get started. Question No. 1. Why did the main character need to find a job? My answer: because his dad lost his job. Okay. Question No. 2. What did the main character do to prepare for the job interview? My answer: he opened a bank account. Okay. Question No. 3. What did the main character think after reading the advertisement? My answer: he thought that he could apply for the job. Okay. Question number 4. What did the employer tell the main character about the uniform? My answer: they don't have a uniform, but he has to wear something smart. Okay. Question No. 5. How did the main character feel about the job? My answer: he enjoyed that job. Well, if you want more videos like this, subscribe to this channel. I'll be very grateful. Thank you very much. Bye.